Okay, next one up, Kawasaki Z1000SX. This belongs to a local dealer. Has just taken it in trade, and she's pretty filthy. Oh my goodness. Doesn't look like it's had a proper clean in some time. 2013 model. Oh, she is hanging. So we're gonna do a little trot TLC on it, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. It's got a bit of corrosion already on it, but we'll see if we can remove as much of that as possible. Get that exhaust sorted out. Oh, these calipers, everything is minging. And then we'll do a bit of paint correcting this tank. You can't tell now, but it's got loads of little marks on it. So we'll see if we can remove a few of those. Shed a bit of life into the old girl. Let's work some trot magic, shall we? There you go. 4 hours later, this Kawasaki Z1000SX has been trotted. Oh my goodness, this thing was a mess. This is a 30,000 mile, heavily used commuter, never been properly cleaned. I worked my tail off on this one. Anyways, she's looking loads better. I had to do lots of painting after it was cleaned. The wheels I had to paint. Inner discs, they were all manky. These end cans, we put a bit of black on them. It had so much buildup of chain lube and gunk in there. It must have taken me an hour just to remove all that. Polished up the exhaust. All the old chain lube's been removed. Everything's been XCP'd afterwards, so all your suspension linkages, all your exhaust, all your engine, all up behind your forks, headlight has all had a nice coating of XCP. Polished up the front of the exhaust there. I did do a 2-stage machine polish, but this paintwork is pretty rough, but it's come up a lot better than it was. I removed the windscreen, polished that up. What else did I do to it? Gosh, what haven't I done to it? More like it. But anyway, looks a load better. Oh yeah, I painted all this rack that was all rusty. Yeah, all presentable now, and heading for a showroom near you. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Time to get your bike trotted. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.